Hello, good morning and good afternoon, fellow crafters. You've made it to week 2 of our summer reading program here at the Maitland Public Library. This week we are talking about bugs. Some bugs can be a little bit scary to look at, but the craft that we have for you this week is definitely the prettiest of the bugs, in my opinion. Well, that's right, we're talking about butterflies. So, this little butterfly craft is very simple and super fun because you can really create whatever kind of butterfly you'd like. Of course, you know mine's going to be a rainbow, right? So what you have there in your envelope marked week 2 is this template, which is 2 pages. This one is the body of your butterfly, which you will use to glue around a toilet paper roll, which I'm sure you probably have plenty of at home. So you'll color this in and cut it out and then glue it on your toilet paper roll. And then you have the most magical part of the butterfly, its lovely wings. So of course you'll color those in, cut those out, and then once you have it cut out, you will just cut right down the center so you have 2 separate pieces. On this part of the template, you'll see these 2 gray lines, and what those are for is to cut a little tiny slit in your TP roll. Definitely get the help of a grown-up because you want to use something fairly sharp. I used an X-Acto knife, but you could use small scissors as well, or just a very sharp knife. Definitely have your grown-up around for this part. If you don't want to cut it though, you could of course just tape your wings on. But once you've created those slits, you'll just slide the tab from the wing on the inside, and then I just taped it down. And I have a lovely butterfly friend that sits on my desk and keeps me company. I hope you enjoyed this week's virtual story time where we are talking all about different kinds of bugs and have a blast putting your butterfly together. We'll see you next week. Bye.